countries, continents, and nationalities. The world is a big place. There are 7 continents: Europe, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Oceania, and Antarctica. There are almost 200 countries. There is a flag from each country, and there are people in all the countries of the world. Your nationality is from your country of birth. Which country are you from? Which continent is it in? What is your nationality? Which countries are these? It is a big country in North America. Its capital city is Washington, D.C. English is the most used language, but Spanish is also common. People from here are Americans. That's right, it's the United States of America, or the USA for short. It is the biggest country in South America. Its largest city is São Paulo. Portuguese is the official language of this country. But the people are not Portuguese. They are Brazilians. It is, of course, Brazil. It is one of the largest countries in the world. Its capital city is Astana. This city is close to Russia to the north and China to the east. Part of Kazakhstan is in Europe and the rest is in Asia. Kazakh and Russian are the official languages. The people are Kazakhstani. This is Kazakhstan. This country is in Europe. The capital city is Rome. The official language is Italian. The people from here are Italians. This is an easy one. Of course, this is Italy. Where are we now? Well, it's the biggest country in Asia. Almost 1.5 billion people live here. There are 192 living languages. But the official language is Mandarin. The capital city is Beijing. The people from here are Chinese. Of course, this country is the People's Republic of China. This is the biggest country in Oceania by far. The capital city is Canberra. There is no official language, but English is the most common. The people from here are Australians. So, that's right, this is Australia. Now we're in Africa. This country is in the north of the continent. Its capital city is Cairo. The official language is Arabic. But there are many other spoken languages in the country. The people are Egyptians. So, of course, we are in Egypt. There aren't any countries in the continent of Antarctica. There are no capital cities and no nationalities here. There are lots of penguins, though.